Imagine this. A giraffe, standing tall and majestic on the African savanna, is 30 times more likely to be struck by lightning than a human. Yes, you heard it right. Between 1996 and 2010, there were only 5 documented fatalities from lightning strikes on giraffes. But when you consider their population, around 140,000, that equates to about 0.003 lightning deaths per 1,000 giraffes annually. This is a rate 30 times higher than humans. Pause for a moment, let that sink in. Now let's delve into the workings of the human body. Did you know that your brain is constantly eating itself? It's a process called phagocytosis, where cells envelop and consume smaller cells or molecules to remove them from the system. But don't panic. This process is not harmful. On the contrary, it helps preserve your gray matter. The universe is full of fascinating phenomena. The sun, for instance, makes a sound. Yes, you heard that right. The sun produces sound in the form of pressure waves, but humans can't hear it. The wavelengths of these pressure waves stretch for hundreds of miles, far beyond the range of human hearing. What's that smell? Could it be a comet? Believe it or not, comets smell like rotten eggs, urine, burning matches, and even almonds. Scientists discovered traces of hydrogen sulfide, ammonia, sulfur dioxide, and hydrogen cyanide in the makeup of Comet 67P/Churyumov-Gerasimenko. In 2016, they even made promotional postcards carrying the pungent scent of a comet. Laughter is the best medicine, they say. But did you know you can actually die from laughing? Intense laughter can cause a heart attack or suffocation. So maybe comedy shows should come with a warning. Ever thought about how ants breathe? They don't have lungs. Instead, they breathe through 9 or 10 tiny openings called spiracles, depending on the species. And finally, a fun fact about snails. They have teeth. Not just 1 or 2, but between 1,000 and 12,000 teeth. They're not like ours, though. The snail's tiny teeth are all over its file-like tongue. To summarize, we've learned some incredible facts today, from the surprisingly high likelihood of giraffes getting struck by lightning to the self-consuming nature of our brains. The sun's inaudible sound, the smell of comets, and the fatal potential of laughter have all been part of our journey. We've explored the unique respiratory system of ants and the extraordinary dental anatomy of snails. The world and the universe beyond is full of wonder and surprises. If you enjoyed these unbelievable facts, don't forget to subscribe to our channel at Reality Riddles for more. But before we wrap up, let's dive into one more fascinating topic: the unseen mysteries of the ocean depths. Voiceover. As we descend beyond the reach of the sun's rays into the ocean's twilight zone, we enter a world as alien as any distant planet. Here, in the cold and crushing pressure, life exists in forms that defy our wildest imaginations. Bioluminescent creatures light up the darkness, using their glow to attract prey or deter predators. Some even have transparent bodies, a clever tactic to avoid detection. The colossal squid, the largest invertebrate on Earth, lurks in these depths. Its eyes, the size of dinner plates, are adapted to detect the faintest glimmers of light in the eternal night. And then, there's the anglerfish, a creature so bizarre it seems to have swum out of a nightmare. Using a bioluminescent lure to attract unsuspecting prey, it's a perfect example of the weird and wonderful adaptations needed to survive in this harsh environment. So the next time you gaze at the ocean's surface, remember the unseen mysteries that lie beneath. A world of creatures that are as fascinating as they are bizarre. From the towering giraffe to the humble snail, from the depths of the oceans to the vast expanses of space, our world is truly a place of wonder and surprises. Stay curious, stay amazed, and keep exploring with us.